This is the Boss MS3 multi-effects and switcher combination. So you've got 4 selections here, so you can switch channels, and then it'll bank up and down. I forget the total because I don't use anywhere near the total, but you've got 2 effects that you can assign in there, 2 modulations, 3 loops that get connected so that you can loop in pedals if you want to do that. Like I have this pedal looped in so that I can activate that pedal through this unit. It also switches the channels on my 5150 amp, so it's got channel switching built into it. Got modulation, delay, reverbs all built into it, so you can go, and it comes with a computer interface, so you can go online and program it, or you can actually go through the instructions and switch through the menus when it's plugged in on here and program it this way. But I find it easier to use the computer interface.
What's the advantage of having one of these?
So the advantage is I basically set it, so I set it for like 1 will be my clean channel, 2 will be my crunch channel, 3 will be my, you know, way overdrive channel, and 4, let's say 4 is a specialty, like if I have a flanger or something like that I use.
Okay.
But on each pedal, I can hit the pedal once, it'll activate that channel. If I hit it again, I can program, I usually program that for my boost. So I can have it as my clean channel, and when I hit it again, it activates an overdrive for a boost, and it activates a delay so that I get a nice lead tone. And I can program it to do whatever I want on the second click. So awesome. It's pretty cool. I absolutely love it. It basically replaced a ton of pedals, and this pedal here works with it. To change the channels up and down, you have to hit both of these at the same time, and I didn't like that, so I just added this pedal, so this is up and down for the banks, so it makes it easier than having to step on both of these at the same time.
NUX dual foot switch. Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. So that works in unison with that.
In unison with this, yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.